So hopefully I'll be able to do something like this, and you know, the color in here will have changed. So hopefully, you know, something like
ta-da, it's done. I fucking hate it. Just gotta make sure that I'm not disturbing anybody so I can vlog. What's up, everyone? I'm back in sunny California. Looking forward to getting down to some flying with some friends that I made the last time that I was here, but I do have to transfer the guts of one quad to a new frame that I got from the Young Rippers. I'm gonna be rocking the Young Rippers Freshman. Here it is in a pile. Here's the old one, aka the Spartan, but as you can see, it has seen better days. So I gotta transfer everything over to the new frame and then we can get it popping. There we go. I have put this quad through hell. Good night, sweet. Blew his house with the blue little windows and a blue Corvette, and everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around because he got nobody to listen. Dude, it's just like such a coincidence that I was able to blue out this whole build. Like, everything is blue from the stack to the zip ties to the frickin' prop nuts. Like, it's insane. I'm really excited that this build is finished, but as you can see, it is dark now and I am late for dinner, so I gotta go, but I'm really excited to fly this tomorrow. I will see you guys at the park. This is the whip for today. Before I go fly, I have to go get my card from the bar because we did karaoke last night and I left my shit on the scene. What is Eduardo be listening to? We got the theremin. So I'm gonna need some good luck wished upon me because just before I left for here, I flashed JESC to my BL Heli S ESCs and I have no idea how it's gonna fly. So I might have just bricked my drone, but I brought my laptop. Excellent mouthfeel. Did you guys see how well that flew? That is like the first time ever that I've been able to like flash my ESCs and apply a new tune and go out and nothing went wrong. So I guess I'm getting better at stuff. Or they could call me Good Luck FPV today. Aaron, hooking it up every time I come out here, says that I can fly some of his batteries. So we're gonna hit a follow real quick so that I can follow his beastly, what is that, 8-inch? 9-inch? So I'm gonna follow the 9-inch. This is gonna be fun. So I'm following his 8-inch quad, and I have never had to pitch up this far before. We're gonna go fast. He corrected me. It's not 8 inches, it's 9 inches. Get it right. big difference. I've long since landed, and Aaron's still just ripping it. That was a blast, man. I've had my fill of following, and I'm gonna hit some freestyle. I'm going all blue now at the recommendation of the one and only Bubby FTV. I am trying the HQ Juicy J37s. I haven't flown a new prop in a hot minute. Let's see how they do.
The mirror's image, it tells me it's home time, but I'm not finished, 'cause you're not by my side. And as I rode, I thought I saw you leaving, carrying your shoes. Decided that once again I was just dreaming of bumping into you. Now it's 3 in the morning, and I'm trying to change your mind. Left you multiple missed calls into my message you replied. Why'd you only call me when you're high? High. Why'd you only call me when you're high? Somewhere darker, talking the same shite. I need a partner. Well, are you out tonight? It's harder and harder to get you to listen. More I get through the gears, incapable of making alright decisions, and having bad ideas. Now it's 3 in the morning, and I'm trying to change your mind. Left you multiple missed calls into my message you replied. Why'd you only call me when you're high? High. Why'd you only call me when you're high? And I can't see you leave, wonder where am I? It sort of feels like I'm running out of time. I haven't found what I was hoping to find. You said you gotta be up in the morning, gonna have an early night, and you're starting to bore me, baby. Why'd you only call me when you're high? Why'd you only ever phone me when you're high? Why'd you only ever phone me when you're high? Why'd you only ever phone me when you're high? Why'd you only ever phone me when you're
So there I was, out in the field, flipping and flopping, warming up, doing the tight shit, getting the good stuff on camera, having the time of my life. And then I had this one crash, and then this weird shit started happening constantly. Oh, what is that? What's happening? like I finally escape from snowy Minnesota and I'm in California and it's sunny and beautiful and we have the beautiful spots. We got another spot hooked up for the future and this is happening. I kept trying to fly through it and have fun and get my packs in and keep it going and fix my quad, but things pretty much just go downhill from here. We do find out the cause of the crazy jittering, but you'll have to tune into the next episode to find out. Keep your karma up to ward off the bad luck. Stay up, stay flying. We'll see you in the next one.